loves, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Ariana, and in today's video I'm going to be talking about how to use your body oil and your body lotion together. And if you are still confused about how do you actually do this whole thing, sit right back and let me explain to you how you can actually use these two together. So first of all, we have three types of body oil. We have a brightening body oil, we have a treatment body oil, and we have a glow body oil. But you see that glow body oil, I don't actually like calling it glow body oil, but the reason why I will leave it at that is because I want to explain to you guys that there are some body oil that doesn't do anything on your skin. They don't actually brighten your skin, they don't dim your skin, but they just leave your skin the way it is. So this type of body oil will definitely glow your skin. A treatment body oil will glow your skin. A brightening body oil will also glow your skin. As long as you are using oil on your skin, there must be a shine, there must be a glow, no matter how the body oil is. So any body oil at all that you apply on your skin, there must be a glow. But the reason why I'm calling the last type of oil a glow body oil is because this one will fall in the category of oil that doesn't do anything on your skin but just glow your skin. So understanding these three types of body oil will help you know how to use your body oil in this video. So first thing you should never do, like never ever do this, is to pour in your body oil inside your body lotion. For whatever reason, even if it says treatment body oil, even if it says glow body oil or a brightening body oil, never you apply a body oil inside your lotion to work, because when you do this, you've already destroyed that your lotion. Like you've just tampered with that your body lotion, because body oil works way differently from your body lotion. So it's not something to be combined at all. So don't combine it together. So the second thing to know is never apply your oil on your body, on your skin first before your lotion if you know you have an oily or an acne prone skin. I will repeat it again. If you know that you have an oily or acne prone skin, never you apply body oil on your skin first before applying your lotion, because when you do something like this, you are going to clog your pores, and you who is actually suffering from acne before, you will get more of it. So people do get acne on their body. Hope you know that acne is not only on your face. You can get acne on your chest, on your back, in different areas of your body. So this can be one of the reasons why you keep having a clogged pores and you are getting breakouts every single day. Never you apply your body oil first before your body lotion. So the only way or the only instance where you can apply your oil first before your body lotion is when you are using a lightweight oil and a heavyweight moisturizer. So since oil most of the time flow freely on our body, how will you even know if this oil is a lightweight oil or is a heavyweight oil? So let me give you guys two examples of a lightweight oil. We have the rose hip oil, we have the jojoba oil. Those two oil are lightweight oil. So most oil are heavyweight oil, whether it's running freely like this or not. Most oil are heavyweight oil. So when you are using that type of oil, the jojoba oil or the rose hip oil, with a heavyweight moisturizer, because despite the fact they are lightweight oil, it has to be a heavy lotion. So that's the only way you can apply that oil first on your skin before you apply the heavyweight moisturizer. Hope you guys are getting, hope you guys are following what I'm actually saying right now. That is actually the only time you can apply an oil first on your skin before you apply your body lotion. So outside that, the best way to use your body oil and your body lotion is to make sure you are moisturizing your skin first. You are putting on your body lotion first before putting in your body oil. And before you can do that, make sure your skin is damp, because when you leave the shower, don't thoroughly use that your towel to clean your body until there is no single moisture on your skin. Ensure you leave a little water on your skin, then before you go in with your body lotion and then your body oil. With this step, you even notice that these products are actually going into your skin. Body lotion is a moisturizer, so it has more water than your body oil. So when you apply something that has water first before applying something that has oil, you will see the combo. The oil is going to seal in that your moisturizer. It's going to seal in the moisture that comes from something that contains a little water, compared to you applying something that contains oil first before applying your lotion. When you apply an oil first before putting in something like water, that water cannot go into that oil. right? So that's the reason why you need to apply your body lotion first before you apply your body oil. And with this, that product will work well. Your body lotion will work, your body oil will work. But when you do the reverse, the body lotion will not get into your skin. So you're not going to be getting any results from your body lotion. So your skin at the end of the day will not get a good result. I've already given you guys the types of body oil we have. Whether you're using a treatment body oil or you are using a glow body oil or a brightening body oil, this is the way you will use your body oil to get a good massive result. So guys, that brings us to the end of the video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to get notified first anytime I upload a new video. See you guys in my next video.